Hi friends, I'm Tuck. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a percentage symbol on your Microsoft Excel mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a percentage symbol in your Microsoft Excel mobile, I just going to show in this video. So first of all, I just open a document here. I'm just going to zoom in inside this. So to insert a percentage like a 50 percentage, just type as 50. Now you just need to click on this number section and just need to click on this extra symbol section here, so you can find the percentage symbol here. So why I just using my keyboard? So this is a Google keyboard. You can just download it from Play Store. Why I just using Google keyboard? Because there is no percentage, there is no insert symbol on the Microsoft Excel mobile. If you are clicking here, just changing to the insert option, there is no insert the symbol here. There is only a shape, chart, data, like that. So you can just use your keyboard, and if you want more symbols, you just need to download the Google keyboard on the Play Store. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.